The SP Automotive Chaos. Zero Gravity is a masterpiece of automotive engineering, representing the pinnacle of performance, luxury, and innovation. This hypercar redefines what's possible in modern vehicle design, blending cutting-edge technology with breathtaking aesthetics to create an unparalleled driving experience. Designed by Greek manufacturer SP Automotive, the Chaos Zero Gravity stands as a bold statement of ambition, pushing boundaries that few companies dare to explore. At its heart lies a twin-turbocharged V10 engine capable of producing over 3,000 tons horsepower. A figure so staggering it places the Chaos Zero Gravity among the most powerful cars ever conceived. With this immense power output, the car boasts mind-blowing acceleration figures. 0 to 60 mph in under 1.5 seconds and a top speed exceeding 300 mph. These numbers are not just impressive, they're otherworldly, placing the driver in a realm where gravity seems almost irrelevant. The name Zero Gravity reflects this sensation, as the sheer force of acceleration mimics the feeling of weightlessness. Beyond raw performance, the Chaos Zero Gravity incorporates advanced aerodynamics and lightweight materials such as carbon, fiber, and titanium to ensure optimal handling and stability at extreme speeds. Every curve and contour of its bodywork has been meticulously crafted to enhance airflow, reduce drag, and maximize downforce. The result is a hypercar that feels planted yet agile, capable of slicing through air like a blade while maintaining precise control. Inside, the cabin exudes opulence without compromising on functionality. Premium leather upholstery, customizable digital displays, and state-of-the-art infotainment systems combine to offer a luxurious environment for both driver and passenger. Yet every element serves a purpose, from ergonomic seating positions to intuitive controls designed to keep focus squarely on the road ahead. What sets the Chaos Zero Gravity apart isn't merely its technical prowess, but also its exclusivity. Only a handful of units will be produced, each tailored to the owner's specifications. Owning one is akin to possessing a piece of art, a symbol of individuality and status reserved for those who appreciate the extraordinary. In essence, the SP Automotive Chaos Zero Gravity represents more than just a car. It embodies human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of perfection. It challenges conventions, defies limitations, and offers a glimpse into the future of automotive excellence. For enthusiasts and collectors alike, it is nothing short of a dream realized. A hypercar that transcends mere transportation to become an icon of innovation and ambition.